Hi, today we'll see how to log in Azure portal, and before that how to subscribe the Azure account, how to get the subscription from the Microsoft. We'll see. Initially we need to get Azure account from Microsoft. For that you need to go Azure account sign up. Okay, if you go to Azure account sign up, you will get start your free account. Okay, this will be free credit for 30 days. Okay, to try any Azure product combinations. You have 30 days of time for free subscription. You can use the credit whatever the Microsoft is provided for you. So nearly 13,000 credits you will get, like 13,000 rupees you will get. By using your resources, it will get exhaust. For 1 month you have a 13,000 credits. For that you can use whatever the resources you want. Okay, now if you go for start your free account, you can find the account here, start free. If you click on start free, you can get free account, or you can buy. If you want to purchase anything, you can buy for 1 month or 6 months, whatever the period you want, and whatever the services you want, you can buy from here. Okay, so by this way you can get subscription. If you go for start free, you have to give email address as well as phone number and credit card details, whatever is required. You have to give the details and you will get the account. So once you get the account with the credentials of email address as well as password, we need to enter into the Azure portal. To enter into Azure portal, you need to go for portal.azure.com. portal.azure.com. So here you will get the page like Azure portal. So see, already I have logged in, or else if I sign out and sign in again, so you have to give the email address as well as password. You can enter into this page. See, here you can see all the details about your subscription, like how much validity you have, how much credits you are remaining. So everything you will get. See, it is showing here 7,200 change credits are remaining. Okay, so this information you can see from the subscription. Subscriptions will be there related to subscription. So whatever the data is required, you can get from here. You can see, or else you can search here. If it is not showing here, you can search from here. If you type subscription, okay, it will show here. If you go to subscription, the overview will be there. Like I have given the subscription name here. Okay, subscription name, if you click on this, the overview will come. In this overview you will get like subscription ID. This will be unique. For every subscription you will get a unique ID and directory. With this email ID, whatever the email ID you are providing, with this the directory will be created. Okay, the role will be account admin. Whatever the role it is given here, the email ID, that person will be the account admin. So he is the administrator for this subscription. This offer will be free trial. Okay, that offer ID also you will get, and then subscription name you will get here, as well as the period whatever I told you, 1 month. So it is showing here when the validity will get expired. Everything you will get the information from here. Current billing period will be 7th 23rd 2022 8th 22nd 2020. This will be the 30 days of duration. You will get the credits whatever is giving by the Microsoft. So after 1 month it will be exhausted. Even the credits will be remaining, so there is no use of that credits once the time will be expired. Okay, by using this you can get the subscription. So this is what all about getting subscription from the Microsoft for the Azure account. Okay, thanks for watching.